Hi, welcome to Hybrid Digital Coaching and Young Minds Club. Thank you for joining me in the SAP transformation journey. Today we are going to look at the SAP MM Organization Structure. Yeah. So, when we are talking about an organization, let it be any organization, there may be a different departments available. Finance department will be there, purchasing department will be there, sales department will be there, marketing also will be there, HR also will be there, right? So in the same way, these all things are happening in an organization. Okay, so as long as we are talking about SAP ERP system is defined certain business processes, certain legal entities in the which is representing to the companies, right? So here the MM organization structure will be in such a way where there is a legal entity as a company code. We need to define a company code as a legal entity. That is a top legal entity in SAP MM organization. Under company code, there will be a plants. One company code can have as many as number of plants. So in those plants, we will be having storage locations. Again, under each plant, there may be n number of storage locations, which is where the physical material are stored. The physical materials in the sense material according to the material types. For example, you can say raw material is meant for one storage location, and semi-finished goods can be kept in a separate storage location, and finished goods can be kept in a separate storage location, so that the accountability and the removal, put away, all these things are happening in a you know in a properly accounted here. Okay, so in a SAP MM organization structure, you will be having company code, you will be having plant, you will be having storage locations. Apart from that, there is a separate department which is taking care of procuring the materials required and services required, right? That is through the purchasing organization. So purchasing organization, we will have under purchasing organization, we can have a number of purchasing groups. Purchasing groups are nothing but the people who are who are carrying out the buying activities, who are performing the buying activities, right? So these are the people who will be negotiating with the vendors, who will be finalizing the orders, who will be collecting the quotations for material requested price and all, right? So that is purchasing group will carrying out all those things. And there is in a big corporations, there will be called a reference purchase organization, where the enterprise is spread across the globe, right? So the reference purchase organizations will play a role where they will be keep maintaining the contract details and all. So these purchase organizations which is assigned or not assigned to the company codes, they will be using, they can be able to use those contracts which were created by the reference purchase organizations, so that the prices across the country or across the places, so the prices may be applied uniformly, the material availability prices, right? So corporations will be talking to the vendors throughout the country, right? For example, the corporation office is having their branch officers, their clients, their company codes spread across around all the states of a country, right? So in that case, so they will be finding the vendor who is multiple location presence vendors. So they will talk that if the price is price with the vendor of certain materials is same in all the locations, in those cases the corporations will go under a contract with that particular vendor, and on the prices of their material. So in that cases, what happens, the other purchasing organizations, they will be referring to that same contract and talk to that vendor in that particular region. So that way the reference purchase organization works, right? So that's all for today, friends. We will see in another session how the practically in SAP screen, how it looks like, how we can design and all. Yeah. Thank you for being with me. You will be given an assignment here. Take an assignment that your assignment is that you will go back to your home and Google it and study more about the each entity here what we have spoken about, right? So each entity you will be yes, research, do a research and understand more. If you have any questions, please come back to me. We will be trying to answer your questions, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.